Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. I know I've been so inactive lately, but it is what it is. So I am at my sister's place in Haridwar and I thought today is Sunday, 6th of December, why not go out, eat the street food, explore the city and come back to the normal life. So I'll take you with me if possible. Let's see how it goes. So this is my outfit of the evening, if that is a correct term to use. So yes, I feel pretty. Also I've added jhumkas because why not? Keeping my card, the cash, sanitizer, and the mask. Let's go. I'm gonna eat chole bhature here. This place is called Mohan Ji Puri Wale and I think it's very famous. It is right opposite to the hotel landmark. You come straight from Chandracharya Chowk for a distance of about 300 meters towards the Sachidanand Road and you will find Mohan Ji Puri Wale here. This is how they look. Delicious. This is Premnagar Ashram. I've reached Harki Pauri and this is how crowded the place is. Looks mesmerizing. Look at the crowd, man. I think I'm gonna go till there. So let's go there. It is getting cold. Look at that. So there is a lot of construction work going on and I think it is because of the Mahakumbh which will take place in the month of January 2021. So this is the entrance towards the ghat. Oh, they have Choti Wala here also. By the way, the main Choti Wala is there in Rishikesh. If you've been there, that's good. This Mahakumbh is gonna be a huge one, adding to whatever has happened in 2020. I think everyone will be wanting to be a part of it, definitely. Place has a great vibe. I don't even have words to describe. People taking the holy bath in the holy Ganga. I'm sure the water must be very cold. This ghat was built in 1st century BC by King Vikramaditya. There is an area called Brahmakund which is very sacred and is considered to be the spot where Amrit fell from the sky. Also, this is the place where Ganga leaves the mountains and enters the plains.
वेष्टरसे सुतरं छन्दः पूर्णमो देवता सर्वदोदिशं सर्वेषां निरोधेन गुरुवेदग्धये नमः नमस्तु यावर्तैकदेशे हिमवत्पर्वतैकदेशे उपस्थितानां सर्वेषां हर की पौड़ी ब्रह्मकुंड पर आज गंगा मैया की साक्षी में संकल्प लेते हैं कि पतित पावनी माँ गंगा की जल की पवित्रता एवं निर्मलता बनाए रखने हेतु गंगा जल को प्रदूषित नहीं
करेंगे। River flow. So Har Ki Pauri Ghat literally means feet of the Lord, and the aarti here is considered to be the most interactive aarti amongst the 3 aartis held at Rishikesh, Varanasi and Haridwar. These are the 3 main places where the 3 main Ganga aartis take place every evening, like legit every evening. These are the shops they have here. They have everything from jewelry to utensils to whatever you require in a puja room. They have food stalls here. This marketplace is huge and you won't believe there were thousands of people even today. So I think this Mahakumbh is gonna be very rowdy, very crowded. Whatever it is, the marketplace looks beautiful in the night. Yes, it does. Ganga Aarti is over and I am heading back home. I think it is going to take me another 20 minutes to reach. So yeah, I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoyed the Ganga Aarti with me. And if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.